Have you seen it? It's finally here. Now you can fly through the next job, save time, and make more money. Meet the whole family. Intelligent Diagnostics from Snap-on guides you from diagnosis to repair. Live on Zeus, Apollo D8, and now Triton D8. According to top techs, the key to a speedy repair is knowing which clues are important.
Given the code, you don't need to look at all the vehicle's data.
That's where Intelligent Diagnostics comes in.
It will narrow down all the data per vehicle, per code.
You heard that right.
Per vehicle, per code.
So you're only looking at the clues that matter. That's a real time saver. Triton D8 is packed with diagnostic power, smart data, technical service bulletins, guided component tests, SureTrack. It's all there. So what makes smart data so smart? How about this? It puts a blue flag next to data that could be relevant to the code you're looking at. And then,
if something's not within the parameters that it should be, it throws up a red flag.
And you know to take a closer look. Guided component tests show you where to connect, how to test, and what known good results look like. Triton D8's 2-channel lab scope helps you pinpoint the problem. Plus SureTrack, with real fixes from techs who've already fixed the issue you're facing. With Intelligent Diagnostics, it's specific to the vehicle and code you're working on.
If we didn't have SureTrack, we'd spend a lot more time. That could add hours on a day.
Choose the Intelligent Diagnostics platform that's right for you. Apollo D8, the full-function scan tool that saves you time. Triton D8 adds component tests and scope functions. Zeus takes diagnostics to the next level with repair information and a Windows-embedded operating system that lets you access online resources straight from the tool.
It takes a lot of the guessing out of repairing a car.
Born and raised in the shop to save you time.
Get cars in and out quick as possible without comebacks. That's how we make our money.
The Snap-on Intelligent Diagnostics family has the right tool for every tech with the new Triton D8.